Here is our new Discovery Kit for the BBC microbit. Let's take a closer look. The Kitronik Discovery Kit for the microbit is a great way to get started with both programming and electronics. The kit contains one breadboard breakout for the BBC microbit, one small prototyping breadboard, 6 large colour LEDs, 10 330 ohm resistors, one piezo buzzer, and 10 male-to-male jumper wires. Each experiment has a complete code walkthrough, a circuit diagram and top-down breadboard view, and full explanations of what is happening and how the electronics work. The kit contains 5 experiments that start very simply, building up to simulating real-world systems as confidence grows. The included booklet assumes no prior knowledge and contains detailed information about everything the new user will need to know. It covers everything from using a prototyping board to how to use the Microsoft MakeCode editor and everything in between. This is the ideal kit for someone who is new to the microbit, electronics and coding.